Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X80 Lite, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, whatever you want to capture is visible. Hold power button and volume down at the same time. You will have a flash along with the pop-up right here with long screenshot and the share options, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it does so, you can find your screenshots in your Photos application. And you can navigate to Library, and in here you'll find a Screenshots album, in which obviously you will just see screenshots. And here's the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.